Hello everyone, Jake here, and today we are going to be heat treating a blade I've been working on. Essentially, I'm going on camp in, well, this coming weekend, and I've been trying to finish my first proper knife for this. Now I figured that what you need for what I'd use it for is kind of rough chopping work, but also a bit of slicing and that kind of thing. So I made this knife here. Essentially what you've got is a 7.5 inch blade, and it's real thick. It's a 1/4 inch thick at the spine, tapers down to a point, and yeah, basically a big heavy chopper. And rather than having a bevel like along here, it's one solid bevel all the way down, which makes it ideal for. And it's got a nice weight to it. I'm not sure what it is exactly. I haven't weighed it yet. I'll do that when I'm finished with it. But it's got a good weight. It's perfectly balanced for proper chopping work. So yeah, I started on Saturday. Spent 8 hours forging Saturday. Spent another 8 hours forging. No, not 8 hours. Yeah, another 8 hours forging Sunday, and that was all the forging done. Then the last few days, obviously I'm at school. When I've got home, I've been doing the rough grinding, mainly with files, a little bit of angle grinder there, but I'm quite limited until I get a belt grinder. And we've got it down to this finish. The shaping's all done, the beveling's done, and as you can see, it's pretty damn straight. The point is 1 mil, which is about as far down as you want to go before heat treatment, because otherwise it will just burn up. So as for the handle, probably eventually I'm going to put a proper handle on it, but the thing is that because it's in a rush and I've got basically today and tomorrow to do it, because I leave Friday, because I've only got that much time, what I'm probably going to do is go for a paracord handle, which are actually quite good, and I've tested them. They're really comfortable. They just don't look as good. So I'll probably show you all that. But today we're going to be heat treating it, and I pretty much wanted to show you it before it went in for heat treatment, because if this breaks, I'm not going to be happy. But a lot of work went into the whole grinding and everything. So and obviously the forging, and it's gone all right till now. So hopefully that continues now with the heat treatment. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to light the forge, heat this up to non-magnetic, which is about ready orange. It's critical temperature. This is 5160 spring steel, by the way, and we're going to quench it in oil, which is just normal vegetable oil. So obviously you get a bit of a flare up, but nothing major, and the place will stink like a chip shop, which you don't have to experience. So yeah, we're going to do that, and I'm going to record it, because at least that way I'll have some record of saying I actually did this, rather than showing you some cracked mess and saying, oh look at this, it's been ages doing that. It's alright, let's get the forge lit.